The latest HD4K camera uses autofocus and image stacking to create picture with extended depth of field. To do real-time image stacking, move the mouse to the bottom and click the AF icon. Choose AF EDF to start the image stacking process. Then click the area you want the camera to focus on. Wherever you click, the image will autofocus, and use that image to compile a final picture with perfect focus. For example, you can click different point of interest from top to bottom and from left to right. You can select as many focus layers as you would like in order to extend the depth of field. When you are done, move the mouse to the bottom and click OK. This will produce a final image with the extended depth of field. That's otherwise impossible. You can then save the picture to SD card or USB flash drive.